Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 27, exercise 4a, chapter 5. Chapter name is Integers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 4a questions 1 to 27 of chapter integers, and topics are representation of integers on number line and comparing of integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 16. Question number 16 is evaluate. First bit is absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of positive 3. We know absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5, that is positive 5, and absolute value of plus 3, that is 3 is 3. So absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of 3 is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Second bit, absolute value of minus 7 multiplied with absolute value of minus 2. We know absolute value of minus 7 is plus 7 and absolute value of minus 2 is plus 2, that is positive integer. So absolute value of minus 7 is 7 multiplied with absolute value of minus 2 is 2. 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. Now third bit, absolute value of 17 minus of absolute value of minus 15. Absolute value of 17 is 17 and absolute value of minus 15 is positive 15. So absolute value of 17 minus absolute value of minus 15 is 17 minus 15, that is 2. Now fourth bit, absolute value of 6 multiplied with 5 division of absolute value of minus 5. 6 multiplied with 5 is 30, absolute value of 30 is 30, and absolute value of minus 5 is, absolute value of negative integer is positive integer, so absolute value of minus 5 is positive 5. So absolute value of 6 multiplied with 5 division of absolute value of minus 5 is 30 multiplied 30 division of 5 equal to 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Fifth bit, absolute value of 7 minus 3 multiplied with absolute value of 5 minus 5. 7 minus 3 is 4 and absolute value of 7 minus 3 is, absolute value of 4 is 4, and absolute value of 5 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 is 0, and absolute value of 0 is 0. So 4 multiplied with 0 is 0. Now we solve question number 17. Question number 17 is which situation could be the best represented by minus 25, negative 25, negative integer. An increase of 25 points. Increase is positive, so this is represented by positive 25 plus 25, so this is incorrect. Planting a seed 25 centimeter below ground, that is minus negative, so negative 25. Planting a seed 25 centimeter below ground is represented by minus 25 centimeter, that is negative 25, negative integer. This is correct. An elevation of 25 meter above sea level, above means positive, so 25 meter above sea level will be represented by positive 25, positive integer, so this is incorrect. Birth of 25 babies, birth is positive integer, so 25 babies will be represented by positive 25, positive integer, so this is incorrect. As you have to find the best represented by negative 25, negative integer, so Only in second option B, 25 centimeter below is represented by minus 25, negative integer. So second option B is the correct situation, best represented by minus 25. Now we solve question number 18. Question number 18 is paper was invented in China 1900 years ago. Which integer represents this date? Ago means previous, that is before, so it will be represented in negative sign, negative integer. 1900, so it will be minus 1900. So option C is correct option, minus 1900. Now we solve question number 19. Question number 19 is the following were the temperatures recorded at 5 different places around the world on the same day. 20 degrees centigrade, 10 degrees centigrade, minus 15 degrees centigrade, minus 1 degree centigrade and 2 degrees centigrade. Which temperature closest to 0 degree centigrade? Closest to 0 degree centigrade is minus 1 degree centigrade. So option C is correct. Now we solve question number 20. Question number 20 is which of the following expression is true? First option A is minus 10 less than minus 4. We know 10 is greater than 4. If we place the minus sign, that is negative sign, minus 10 is less than minus 4. So this is true. Second option 11 is less than minus 14. We know positive integer is always greater than the negative integer. So 11 is greater than minus 14. So this option is false. Third option C, minus 13 is greater than minus 2. We know 13 is greater than 2. But here if we place the negative sign, then minus 13 will be less than minus 2. This is false. And option D is minus 250 is greater than 0. We know 250 is greater than 0, but if we place the negative sign, we know negative integer is always less than 0. So this is false. So option A is true. Minus 10 is less than minus 4. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.